This video is about how to install rear speakers in a car, two-door car. So this is a two-door car. I've already installed them, but I'll take you back to how I did it. So what you need to do is basically remove this back seat, this one. So it's just you pull it out, and then you see these two here. So you just pull one out, and then the other one. So this one is out. And then for the back seat, it's good that you remove the back seat. So you go here, there's this small hole, and then there's this small lever that will be on top of this this rod. You have to push it back, and then the seat will come out like this, and then you have to pull it out from this one. So then the seat is out, and then you have this door panel, which is only not the door panel, which is only secured by one of this plastic screw, which looks like this. So you remove it, just turn it by hand, and then just pull the door card, and then towards the top. So this is out of the way, and then what you will see is there's no speaker, there's nothing, just few 4 screws. For this one, I've installed the spacers, plastic spacers, and then the speakers with the 4 screws. And then you have to put the cable, speaker cable. So here's the speaker cable. But to do this, you need to remove this whole plastic trim. To start with that, you need to remove this. Just twist it with the hand. Remove these 1, 2, and 3 screws here. And then remove all the plastic all the way up here, and then you have to remove this, or if you're lucky you can put your hand in, put the cable somewhere through in, and then all the way down. This is the speaker base adjustment. Or if you want to remove this thing, what you have to do is remove this screw, and then to remove this one, you shouldn't pull this out because you will break it. There is if you move it like this, somewhere here inside you need to put the screwdriver, straight screwdriver, and then there is a lock that you need to pull towards that side. Yeah, somewhere here, and then this will come out, this lever for the bonnet, this will come out, and then you remove this plastic, and then work your way all the way from up here under. Try to put your hand. So but I removed this one. I won't tell you how to do this, but just remove this, pull this out. There are 2 screws for this one for this one. Remove them, then it would be easy. Put the cable all the way in through here up till here, so that you have a cable for the stereo. Yeah, that's how you install the rear speakers. But there is one trick. I've installed the cardboard, everything. I packed everything, and then later I found out, oh, the sound is really bad, really shitty. Why did I do it? I have spent money on these speakers, and they turn out really bad. Why shouldn't I just go and grab the stock speakers, which are cheaper? But then I found out that in the cardboard, this one is blocked. There is no grill, so the sound, of course, cannot come out. So now what I need to do is somehow remove this and replace this with something original. Get it from scrapyard, or replace it with the one that came with the speakers. Let's see what I can do, but definitely you need to do it, otherwise there won't be any sound coming out. So yeah, it's a quick short video on the steps on how to do it. Unfortunately I couldn't do it because there's no one to hold the camera, and I need to do all the work, and I cannot put the camera anywhere. But I think with these tips you can do it. Good luck.